What's going on, and welcome back. We are headed to the parts store today. I got to pick up a couple more things for the daily Fox restoration project. I think today I'm going to get a clay bar. I think I want to clay the car to try to get the surface of the paint as clean and dirt free as possible. Watched a couple videos on YouTube and did a little research, and it looks like that's the way to go as far as prepping it for the cutting and the buffing and all that stuff. So I think I want to get that. I think it'll be good anyway to do. So we're gonna head to the parts store. We're in the 2016 Mustang GT. Haven't driven this car in quite some time, so I wanted to take her out and stretch the legs a little bit and get these supplies. So follow along and let's get this done. Alright, so we are leaving Advance Auto Parts. I picked up a synthetic clay bar. I'm gonna try that. I guess it'll last a lot longer than actual clay. But then I noticed as I'm driving up here that my dash cam is not working. Got a little cheapo, so I think we're gonna go to Best Buy and look at some dash cams, maybe add that to this video. So I wanted to get another GoPro battery anyway, just to have a spare. So I don't know, let's go to Best Buy and let's check it out. Alright, so I had to take a moment and just enjoy the beauty that is my 2016 Mustang GT. Man, I miss driving this thing. Oh yeah, she bad. Lady tried to run me over. Alright, so leaving Best Buy, I'm gonna stop one more place and head back to the house. I did not find a dash cam that I like. They're all pretty expensive. I'm not sure what to do with that, so I'll do a little research. I like the black views, but obviously those are expensive. But I don't know. I ended up getting a Amazon Echo Dot. They're on sale, 25 bucks. I had a $20 coupon, so why not? 5 bucks, hey, beats 50. So anyway, we're gonna head back to the house and we'll talk about what we got at the parts store. All right, so we made it back to the house. I wanted to show you what I picked up at Advance. It is actually a synthetic clay bar. I was looking at the kits that come with the clay bar and the detailer, and I already have some detailers, so I didn't really need that whole kit, and saw this new style clay bar, so I figured I'd give it a shot. Bad thing is it's the same price as like 3 clay bars and a detailer, so I don't know, it's not cheap. It's like $23, but I don't know, hopefully it'll last longer than the standard clay. But I wanted to show you what we got, and this is it here. Is the Mother's Speed Clay 2.0 next gen paint and surface prep, blah blah blah. It says reusable up to 20 vehicles. Okay, so it looks like it'll last for 20 vehicles, but I don't know, we'll see. We'll see what I can do with it. As I've said before, I've never really done a whole lot of this, so I'm not sure how it's going to turn out, but we'll see. I mean, if it doesn't turn out that great, then so be it. It's got to be better than what it looks like now. But on that note, so I wanted to show you guys, you know, what the car looks like now and what I'll be working with. I'm not sure how well it's going to show up on camera, but it is pretty dull. So I don't know. Let me show you and see what you think. So this is a better look at the daily. As you can see, there's still some shine under the paint, but it is dull. And if you can see there, I mean, it picks up like fingerprints, you know, real bad. You can see that there, but I don't know. I think it's worth trying. I mean, it looks like it would shine up well. So if you can see here, it picks up fingerprints and stuff like that. I mean, you can see them all over the car, but I don't know. I mean, I think it'll turn out. There's some nice fingerprints there, but hopefully it is not too far gone that, you know, it just dulls back out. One thing I did forget to pick up was a sealer, because I saw a video on YouTube that, you know, you should seal the paint afterwards. And I think it's a good idea to help maintain, you know, all the work you just did. Now for the bumpers there, I probably just, the black part anyway, this area here, I'll probably just spray that with the trim black. Maybe do a little sanding on it and then spray it. Not sure. The other trim should just need a good respray. It's not in too bad a shape. Very dirty, obviously, since this is the daily. But let me know what you guys think, man. I don't know. Let me know what you think about it. What you think can be done with it. What you think I'll be able to do with it. I don't know. I just hope I don't mess it up worse or, you know, burn through the paint. I have tried using a buffer in the past and I have burned through some paint, but hopefully with enough research and, you know, maybe watching some videos on it and kind of get a good idea of what to do and what not to do. So I don't know. We'll see how it goes and hopefully get this thing. Golly. I mean, you can just see I'm just leaving fingerprints on it. I don't know. See how it goes. I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and we will see you on the next one.